Hello everyone. This video is typically dedicated for job seekers. So are you looking for a job in the domain of mechanical engineering and a similar kind of domain? Yes, you have a good opportunity at Gen Robotics. Please visit the website of genrobotics.com. So you can observe the following post: senior mechanical design engineers, battery management system engineers, that is 2+ years of experience, reinforcement learning engineers, then quality assessment and RA engineers, and assistant procurement engineers, procurement of officers, business development managers, B2 business to business sales. Okay, so these are the different vacancies available in this company. So kindly check your experience. Suppose if your experience is matching with respect to this profile, kindly apply at the earliest. It's a good opportunity for all the engineers. Kindly make use of this opportunity. Moreover, there are some other vacancies also. In addition to that, they are calling for the application for mechanical design engineers. You must have experience of 1 to 2 years. Senior mechanical design engineers, that is up to 8 years of experience with a good package they are going to provide. You should have a basic skills of SolidWorks. You should know how to use SolidWorks and develop the concepts and the design. And you should have a theoretical skills also. Knowledge in SolidWorks with the experience of a special purpose machines. The minimum qualification required is you should have a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering in the reputed university with the relevant experience. So kindly visit the website of Gen Robotics and please do explore it at the earliest. Okay. So wishing you all the very best. So please visit the website and apply before the deadline. Okay. So prepare the resume accordingly and try to update all the qualifications and additional the courses you have undergone and additional experience you have gained from the companies, etc. So make use of this opportunity. Wishing you all the very best and kindly explore it. If you have any queries, you can use the comment box. As per our knowledge, we are going to share the information. Thank you all. Thank you everyone.